Here it is, the iPhone 13 mini, which has just been released. And apart from this unboxing video, I will be releasing a full detailed review and setup guide and lots of tips and tricks videos on how to get the most from your iPhone 13 mini. So if you're interested in those, please subscribe. So without further ado, let's take a closer look. And here it is, the iPhone 13 mini. You get a choice of 5 colours with this model, and I decided to go for the Starlight colour, which actually looks better than I expected. It also has more storage capacity than my previous iPhone 12 and starts at 128GB, which is what I've gone for, going up to 512GB. You also get a Lightning to USB-C charging cable in the box, but not a USB-C power adapter, as Apple are trying to reduce their carbon emissions by reducing the size of the box. So if you haven't got one of these from an old iPhone, you'll have to buy it separately, and you can either buy them directly from the Apple Store or from Amazon for a relatively cheap price. And finally, you also get a SIM card removal tool and some health and safety information. So if we take a closer look at it, we can see that it's got very similar physical characteristics to the iPhone 12. Apart from the obvious larger camera lenses at the back, which are now in a diagonal arrangement. And these larger lenses mean that this iPhone 13 will take much better photos in low light conditions than the iPhone 12 did. You can see the difference with the iPhone 12 here on the left and the iPhone 13 here on the right. And if I turn on the iPhone 13 mini, you'll see the other obvious improvements over the iPhone 12, and that's the smaller notch, which houses several sensors, the front camera and a microphone. And I wonder how long it is before Apple releases an iPhone without a notch, so we can have an all-screen design. So there you go, that's the unboxing, and I'm going to do a full review of the iPhone 13 very soon, comparing it to the iPhone 12, so you can see the differences between these two iPhones and whether you would like to upgrade. So please subscribe to be the first to watch that. Thanks for watching.